Okay, I'm going to read aloud the questions to you. Make sure you pause as needed, and you can rewind and fast forward as much as you need. Number 1, Mr. Ross paid a total of this much to mail 3 packages. He paid this much to mail the first package and this much to mail the second package. How much did Mr. Ross pay to mail the third package? Number 2, a factory makes containers of salsa in 3 sizes. If the total amount of salsa in all 3 container sizes is this many liters, what amount of salsa is in the large container? Number 3, Joseph's family is planning a vacation. The hotel they will stay in cost this much per night, and they are budgeting this much per day for meals. If the family's vacation lasts only this many days, how much money should they plan to spend on meals only? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 4, Madeline and Tripp both worked for the local grocery store after school. Tripp earned this much more than Madeline last week. Madeline earned this much last week. Which equation can be used to find M, the amount of money both Madeline and Tripp earned last week? Number 5, the table shows the number of square feet that a concrete construction company paved over several months. If the company paved a total of this many square feet in the 4 months, how many square feet were paved in July? Number 6, for this many days, Brody baked pies to sell at the local farmer's market. She made the same number of pies each day. Brody sold a total of this many pies and had this many pies left over. Which strip diagram can be used to find P, the number of pies Brody made each day? Number 7, an appliance store purchased wheelbarrows for this much. The store sold all of the wheelbarrows for this much. How much profit did the store make on the wheelbarrows sold? Number 8, the table shows the number and types of leaves Connor collected and recorded for a science display. He placed the leaves on display boards with this many leaves on each board. How many display boards did Connor fill completely? Number 9, Johnson Library had an overstock of books. After sending this many books to Marshall Library and this many books to Ortiz Library, they still had this many books left. The equation below shows B, the number of books Johnson Library had before sending books to the other libraries. Which strip diagram can be used to find B, the number of books Johnson Library had before sending books to the other libraries? Number 10, Mr. Moline has his own carpentry business. He spent this much for all of the materials he needs to build lawn chairs. He is selling each chair for this much. If Mr. Moline makes and sells 9 lawn chairs with the materials he bought, how much profit will he make?